What is up, y'all? It's your girl, Brand New, and honey, I am back in the building. Listen, this time, honey, I am back with a Love and Marriage Huntsville extra. Ooh, child, say it ain't so, honey. We have a article that I read from the Urban Belle blog. Shout out to them. They were talking about Martell Holt and Melody Cherie's latest legal battle. It will play out on Love and Marriage Huntsville. Let's get to the article, you guys, because we got some court documents too. And, ooh, child, all I got to say is I am so proud of my girl, Miss Melody Cherie. I am so proud of you, Melody, okay? I am just so proud of you because you are literally doing everything right, doing everything that you need to do to get justice, okay, against Mr. Martell Hook-Headed Holt, who is a savage, okay? He is ratchet. He is ghetto, okay? Ghetto. Absolutely. You know, I had to get that raggedy ass nigga together with these court documents. Because God told me to go and do it, girl. Okay, God told me, honey. All of this is going to go in my favor. Absolutely. Mel, you always male bashing. You know, you just want to see a good man be taken down. You still got a dark soul, Mel. It's not nice what you doing to Martell, you know. So what if he then cheated on you and lied to you all those years and had a baby on you? So what, Mel? You should still be the bigger person. I'm always going to be the bigger person in my marriage to my soul. Well, girl, that's you, okay? You need to take notes. Okay, so let's read it, you guys. It says, Love and Marriage Huntsville returns with new episodes in May. The trailer showed fans should anticipate more drama and controversial moments. Martell Holt's recent arrest will be addressed. Melody Cherie filed charges because she believes Martell asked his former mistress to leak an explicit video of him and Melody onto social media. So we all know that to be the revenge P, okay? According to Melody, the video was recorded while they were married. This came about after a woman alleged she abandoned a budding friendship with Ariane Curry over this. Would that be Carson? Okay? Would that be her? The woman claimed she was the person who urged Ariane, that is Carson, not to leak the video. Melody told her supporters she believed the woman because Martell had threatened to leak the video himself during a past conversation. When Martell was asked to address the situation in an interview, he accused Melody of bullying him. Child, he got the audacity. The video matter won't be the first time Melody and Martell face off in court. They have also spent a lot of time in court over custody issues. At one point, Martell sued Melody for full custody of their children. He claimed Melody had too many babysitters and he wasn't comfortable with her gay brother Marcus Minifield babysitting them when it was Melody's time with the kids. In response, Melody accused Martell of being homophobic. She also denied that she has 20 different babysitters, as Martell has claimed in the past. Interestingly enough, one of Martell and Melody's court documents went viral on social media. YouTubers have been discussing them with followers, and some of the things stated have Love and Marriage Huntsville viewers outraged. In multiple paragraphs, Melody's attorney alleged that Martell has failed to adhere to the custody the custody agreement by using corporal punishment on the kids. This includes allegedly choking and punching their son as well as hitting all of their children. It was also alleged that Martell stopped going to court-ordered therapy with their son. That's a damn shame. But, he has some type of personality disorder, okay? And, they don't like to be corrected, okay? They already don't have any remorse for their bad behavior, so they're not going to sit with a therapist and, correct their behavior, correct their ways, so just a mess. Another controversial point in the document is that it was alleged that Ariane's daughter bullies Melody and Martell's children. What? But Martell has allegedly done nothing about this. Check out the document obtained by Urban Belle magazine. Okay, so let me read what I feel are the most important parts of this. So it says, since the entry of the final judgment of divorce in September 6, 2022, the father has willfully violated the above provision by allowing his paramour to make disparaging remarks about the mother. Paramour. Ooh, Ariane Curry. I got another few names for that heifer, but paramour will do. Okay. The father has shown the minor children videos of their mother on dates with other men and making inappropriate comments about the video to the minor children. I really do believe all of this, you guys, because it goes hand in hand with what he did on Love and Marriage Huntsville. Remember when he was confronting Melody and pulling out his phone and how he got pictures and video of her out on a date with a gentleman, and that is crazy. It's like y'all are divorced. She was cheating for most of the marriage. So why the hell do you care about who she's dating now? She doesn't belong to you. But like I told you all before, with his particular personality type, they feel like they own you. You are theirs for life. No matter if y'all break up, y'all have a divorce, they feel like, and in his case, he, they put 4 babies up in her. So she is property to him. That's why he's behaving like this. He feels like he has the right to behave in this way. The father continues to disseminate information to bloggers concerning the previous custody case, therefore placing the minor children in the middle of the parties' disputes and litigation. The father continues to use corporal punishment that is excessive and abusive towards the minor children, including but not limited to choking, grabbing, punching the minor son, hitting all the children, pulling and twisting them. The father has refused to follow the court order as he has stopped therapy between him and his minor son. The father's actions are contemptuous in nature and should be punished accordingly. It is clear by the father's actions that he has no intention of complying with any of the orders of the honorable court, and the mother requests that the father be found in civil and criminal contempt for said willful disregard of the court's previous orders, or in the alternate, that this matter be set for hearing and the father be ordered to appear and show cause why he should not be held in civil and criminal contempt of court for his violations of this court's order as referenced above. The mother has incurred attorney's fees and costs in the pleading and proof of this petition for rule, and would request that the father be ordered to pay the same, and she be given such other further and different relief to which she may be entitled under the circumstances. It says, since the entry of the final judgment of divorce, the father has exhibited behavior that has been negligent and unstable. He has shown a lack of proper parenting when it comes to his care for the minor children. During his custodial times, and the father continues to cause mental and emotional abuse of the minor children. Such behavior by the father has caused the mother to have concerns for the minor children's health and well-being. Specifically, the father has moved multiple times in a short period of time, now wants to uproot the children from the school system. The parties agreed for them to attend so that the children can attend school in his new school district. Moreover, the father continues to make threats to the minor children, such as he will knock them out or directing abusive language toward them with the intent of alarming the minor children and causing mental and emotional injury to them. Ooh, child. The father continues to incorporate corporal punishment on the minor children that they want to see their father if he will stop hitting them. The father does not provide adequate care for the minor children during his custodial periods. The father has asked the mother to deliver food to his house while minor children were there. The father does not take pride in the minor children's appearance in public. More specifically, he refuses to comb and brush his daughter's hair. That the father constantly has the minor children around his paramour, who has threatened the mother and allows her daughter to bully and taunt the minor children of the father. The mother fears that continued contact between the children and the father's paramour will cause confusion and emotional distress for the minor children. Additionally, the father's promiscuity. I love it. Melody, girl. Oh, I love you so much. Got your ass, Mr. Postman. She got you. Promiscuity, honey. Okay. She talking about the hoe and hote, honey. Okay. You up. You know you up. How many times do I gotta tell you so? You a hoe. Was an issue during the divorce. Oh, yeah, because he was laying it. Look, what did Mama Braxton say? Laying it wide and spreading it low. I think that's what she said, honey. Correct me in the comments, but it was funny when she said it. And the mother avers that she is concerned for the children's moral well-being while in the father's care. The mother is concerned about the mental stability of the father as he continues to relocate, violate previous court orders, in addition, threaten to dispute a sex tape that the parties created during their marriage. That the mother avers it is the best interest of the minor children for her to have sole legal custody. That's right, Melody girl. Get your babies and protect them. Okay? Further, the mother fears for the safety and welfare of the minor children and avers it is in the best interest of the minor children for the father's visitation to be restricted to daytime visits only with no overnight visitation until such time as the father enrolls in therapy and anger management. It also says that since the entry of the final judgment of divorce and the subsequent and modification order, there have been material changes and circumstances that are substantial and warrant a modification of the restriction of the children being on social media and or being filmed. Since said order, the mother has not been able to share memorable moments and milestones with a vast majority of family and friends, such as Mother's Day photos. Yeah, look at what he was trying to do to Melody. Like, you know, you're only a child once in your life. You're trying to take that experience from her. We all know it's fun to, you know, put pictures of our babies on social media. You know, that way the aunties can see the babies, cousins, grandmothers. I wonder what Miss Marlene think about all of this. Don't talk about my boy. That's my boy. She trying to get these kids taken from my boy. He a good man. Everybody cheat. Everybody lie. And everybody steals sometimes. That don't mean that they a bad person. That's my boy. I raised him all by myself. I did the best that I could. Melody just trying to get that boy for child support. She greedy. She's entitled. And I'm sick of that heifer. Shame on her. She ain't never want to buy me a pack of cigarettes. No way. She never would even play my number. Everybody know I love to play 756, box, and straight. Shame on Melody. Honey, them hoes is mad, honey. Okay, they all up in their feelings. But I want to see what the people think about this. Because, honey, I love it. I love it. Melody girl, you is speaking Miss Robinson's language, honey. Okay? Clink, clink is the language. Put them in cuffs. Okay? Put them in cuffs. Okay? You know, he has been out here terrorizing her, you guys, for years. And I'm just so happy. She tried to play nice with the fool. Tried to invite him out for vacations with the kids. And he had to switch that up. Okay, I told y'all that's what these narcissistic ninjas do. They will switch up on you. They will invite people that they know you don't like because they want some type of drama or conflict. All the while, they will claim that they are peaceful and they are forgiving and they know how to let things go. We all know that's a whole bunch of bullshiggity. He is an agent of chaos and confusion. And I told y'all, God is not the author of confusion. Hook-headed is. Okay, this is crazy. But, you know, a sister got to do what she got to do. And like I said, I am very proud of Melody. Do it for your children. Do it for their peace of mind, their health. You know, he can really, if he hasn't already, he probably has did a lot of damage to those children and trying to turn them against their mother and trying to show, you know, pictures of her being out on dates with men and trying to make her look like a whore. But you the one that had a baby on your wife. Okay, had a baby on her, got your side chick pregnant multiple times. Just so disrespectful, so hurtful, so malicious, so toxic, so evil, so, child, only on the first floor. But let me see what the people think about this. So one person says, I am sick of the cast that tried to protect and call Martell the good guy. This is shameful. Yeah. Another person says Martell is pure trash, period. My heart breaks for Tank. Yeah, my heart breaks for all the kids. It's just really bad. And then he's the boy child, so he's probably even harder, right, on him. I've been around that where guys, you know, feel like they need to like boss up on their sons, put them in check, and no, you know, yeah, you could check your child if they're wrong, but you don't have the right to, you know, use your authority to disrespect your child and put them in lowest terms and make them question and doubt themselves. Like, you don't have the right to do that. Another person says this man does not need to be on TV. Another person says the courts need to give Martell FaceTime visits only and no in-person visits with his kids. He is disgusting and this case is beyond disturbing. Another person says Mel's burden is heavy with this man mentally and physically. Yeah, you got to think, you know, once you divorce somebody, it should be done. You shouldn't have to keep, you know, being put through the ringer of abuse. He already did that within the marriage. Now it's over and you are still trying to control my life. You're still trying to punish me. You're still trying to agitate me. You refuse to help out with the children, you know, when I need you to. And that's one thing about his particular personality. They are not cooperative. They're not. They like to, you know, start fights, arguments. They want to go to war with you. They are in competition with you. Because you got to remember, go back to his last interview on Tasha K. Yeah, I got to get Melody. Did you notice how he was talking? Okay? That's not normal behavior from a man. Another person says Martell and Ariane are going to jail where they belong. Another person says, what the hell is wrong with Alabama court system? To continue to let Martell have joint custody of the kids is disgusting. Another person says, what a freaking monster. All the marital stuff is bad enough, but kids should always be protected. What a disgrace. Yeah, Melody should be protected though. The children need to be protected and Melody should be protected. Nobody should have to go through this. This is bad. Another person says Melody is fighting for her babies. I know that's right. Another person says Martell is dangerous and should not be unsupervised around the kids until such time as he has gotten help. I fear for their safety. Another person says if Martell had just accepted the divorce and moved on, none of this would have happened, in my opinion. Exactly. All right, you guys, that's all I have to say about all of this. Get down in the comments. Let me know how you felt about this video. It was a lot. It was, but I hope Melody gets the justice that she's looking for, because she deserves it, and so does those children. They deserve to be protected by any means necessary. Don't forget, guys, to like, comment, and subscribe. I am your girl, Brand New, and I will check you guys out in the next video.